Importing and exporting files on coreldraw can sometimes be overwhelming. Trying to know what type of files to import and how to export your files into different other types of files to PNG, JPEG, and PDF, and also how to export multiple pages when you're having a lot of pages on your coreldraw. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to import and export files on coreldraw. Without 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 wasting much of our time, let's begin. I'm Motoshomo is the honest designer. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a new member in this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also like this video, comment, comment on this video, then share to your friends, share to all graphic design community so that they would also benefit from this knowledge, and also turn on post notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Presently, we upload new videos on Mondays, but with time, it will be twice a week, probably Mondays and Wednesdays or so. But I'll definitely update you guys as it goes. So, without wasting much of our time, let's go to today's lesson: how to import and export files on coreldraw. So, the importing is quite easy. So, the major problem is exporting. So there are some things you need to know, or some things I will teach you in this video that will fasten your work. So to import your file, either you use the cut short Control I, or you go to your file. There are three ways. You can go to your file and go to import. Sorry, this is your file. Then you go to your import. So once you click on import, it will take you to your system's directory, and you can import what you want to import. So you can use that, or you use Control I on your keyboard. It will give you the same option, or you come here, this one I'm pressing right here, so you can click on that also to import files on your coreldraw. So there are three files you can upload or you can import on your coreldraw. You can import a PNG format like this. You can import what's it called, a TXT, a document text. Possibly you want to create a flyer and you were given the text to use on it, so you can convert the text into TXT file. You can use your what's it called, your WPS app on your phone, or you convert it online. So you can import that, and you can also import a JPEG, a normal picture. So you can also import what's it called, multiple files at a go. So to do that, first you click on the first one, then you hold Control on your keyboard and click on the remaining one. See, it highlighted the three. So you click on enter. Once you click on enter, see this arrow is showing where you want to place your file. So you can just drag. Right, you left click, then drag. So it should bring them by one. The first one, the second one, then you also drag and left click. So you see this is the actual file. So this is copyable, editable. So you can copy and edit and change your what's it called, you can change your fonts and everything. So that's not what you're here for. So we've successfully imported our images, our PNGs, and our text on coreldraw. It's as simple as that. Now to export, let's just create a rough design with this. Just something rough. So I'm going to speed up this place. So I just created a random stuff. There's nothing about this. It's not really a design. So I just want to show you how to export. So to export, once you want to export, you can use Control E, which is the shortcut for export. I'll definitely do a video on each of these shortcuts that will make it work faster. So you can click on Control E to export, or you click on this other one, this upper arrow, Control E, this upper arrow to export. You can click on that, or you go to your file and go to export. So there are some other options. You see export for, you see publish to PDF, different one. So you can, what's it called, you can export in different ways. So let's quickly see this one quickly. You can export to PDF, like you have multiple images or multiple pages, and you want to export them to PDF. So convert exporting to JPEG and looking for one other software or how to convert them to PDF. You can just do that by clicking on publish to PDF, and you just bring out some pop-ups, and you can just make your settings and make your settings around, and you click on save, and it will be what it will be converted to PDF. It will show in PDF format. Let's check. Oh, it's not done yet. And you can even convert to PDF through this side. Yes. Okay, we'll come back to it. It's still loading somehow. So that's about converting to PDF. So you can export now. Control E to export. You put your file name. Let's say our file name is tutorial. Then you choose the folder where you want it to be. I want it to be on my desktop. So then you come to save as type. What do you want to save it as? That's JPEG, as PNG, as PDF, as Adobe Illustrator file, or any other of the files here. You just come in and choose whatever you want to export it to. So mostly I use JPEG and PNG, PDF. So even if you convert to AI or what's it called, PSD, which is Photoshop document, you can only open it on Photoshop or AI, but you can't edit it. It is not editable. So that's just it. You can open it on it, but you can't edit it on it. So if you are exporting as PNG and image as PNG, for example, all you want to export is this car alone. You make sure this car and this text, you make sure you remove this and delete, or else if you export, this background will still be showing. So that's about exporting as what's it called, as PNG. So as JPEG, it's not a picture, so you leave it as your JPEG and you go for your settings. Once you enter, or you go to export, it brings some other settings out. So these are the settings. There's nothing really special about the settings here. All that matters is you can bring your quality to highest, but know that the higher the quality, the larger the size of your export. So what matters again is the resolution. Mostly it's at 300 dpi, but most times I use 800 dpi. Sometimes I even use 1000 or 1200 dpi. So the higher the resolution, the higher the size. And the major reason why I increase the resolution is by the time you are uploading to Facebook, Facebook used to reduce the quality of image. So even if Facebook reduces the quality of your image, it won't still affect the quality. At least if you put it in 300 ppi and Facebook reduces it, Facebook can reduce it to like 200 or 100, I don't know, and it might be coming pixelated and blurry. But if it's at 800, at least if they reduce it to like 500, 400, it's still good. Because I think the minimum should be 300 dpi for good printing, or for good for it to be very clear. So if they reduce it, it can be lesser than 300. You still have your quality. So that's why I used to use 800 dpi. So you can just type in your 800. If you drag down, you see the IC is 300 dpi. So you just have to type the 800 there, then you click on your OK. Once you click on your OK, it loads and save under your folder wherever. You see, this is the other one, the PDF I exported the other time. You see, it has been exported as PDF. So if it is like 2-3 pages, it will list them as PDF file, pictures to PDF. So this is the one we exported right now, and you see 808.99 megabytes. You see, because we increase the resolution and it's at the highest. So I want to view it. Okay, you see, we have our design exported. So now what I want to show you right now is how to export multiple files. So let's say we have more than one file or more than one page. Let's create like 4 pages. So we have 4 pages. So let's make sure everything is showing at the same time. Multiple page view. Now we have 4 pages. Let's duplicate this and make it okay. Now I just want to add okay, I want to make a little bit different stuff here. So don't mind my design. It's nothing really special. I'm just trying to show something. Sorry. So I'm trying to show something. So you understand what I'm trying to do now? Just let's leave this here. Now, in this first one, we have 3 major elements. We have, let me, okay, ungroup it. We have this text, we have this car, and we have this background. Here we have first text, second text, a vehicle, then the background. Here we have 3 text, a vehicle, and the background. So now this one is having 3 elements. The first one is having 3 elements, the second one is having 4 elements, and the third one is having 5 elements. Now if you want to export as PDF, first of all, the first thing if you want to export multiple files, instead of clicking the first one, Control X, export it, second one, export it, you can export everything at the same time and it will be saved on your system. So that you won't have problem. So it's always better what you group every single thing in a particular page. So we have 3 things here. Then you can just drag, you left click and drag all through the page, or you click on Control A. You can just click on any element in the first page and you click on Control A, which is a shortcut. Then you group. You can group by clicking on Control G. It will group it, or what you can ungroup with Control U. I'll still teach you how to use the shortcuts, or what you come to, I think, hardly uses. Okay, yeah, object, then you click on group, you see Control G, so everything has been grouped. So it will be a single stuff like that. It won't be multiple. Now do the same thing for every other one. Now mind you, using multiple page view, if the first page is highlighted, you may not be able to pick anything on the second page. You have to just click on something from the second page first. Now you see a blue line, you see this page has been highlighted as blue, then you can do anything. So you Control G to group, then you click on the third one also. You can use Control A or you drag, Control G to copy. Let's remove this. I don't think I need this. Let's remove the page. Okay. Now we have these 3 pages. Now to export as multiple file, you go to what? You go to your file and you go to export for. Now you go to multiple files. It should bring this out. Now to export them, you click on the first one and you click on this small icon here, either this or this, one of these. You click on it. Once you click on it, you see it brings it out, group of 3 objects, because we have 3 things here. Now if this is not merged, it's not grouped, let's ungroup it, and you selected only this car and you click on this, it will bring only that car out. You see it's bringing the car out alone. So that's why I say you have to group it. If you don't group it, you may have problem. So you have to group everything. Control G. So let's move this, and you click on this. Once you click on this, you have it here. So you can rename it. Let's say you can name it as whatever you want to rename it as page. Sorry, page 1. So we want to give it as JPEG. So it's at 800 dpi. If you want to change anything, you go to settings and you can change that. If you want to delete, you delete with this. So to do the second one, you click on the second page and you go down to this icon and add. So you can name that also page 2. Then you do the same thing for the third one. Make sure it has all been grouped, and you click on this and just rename this page 3. So once you do that, then you click on export. Make sure you do your changes that you may need to do. You click on export. So it will ask you that which folder do you want to save it. I want to save it on my desktop. So you can select your folder here or anywhere here. Then you click on what? Sorry, let me take this away from this place. You can click on, once you've selected folder, you select folder. Then what? It will be exported to the folder you picked. So let's wait for it to export and I'll show you on my desktop. Because there was a time when I first started and I'm having like 10-15 pages. I will be like, there should be a way to export all these things. What I used to do then was that I'll export as PDF, then go to my internet and look for PDF to JPEG converter and convert them back to JPEG. It's a serious thing, so it's not that easy. So until I know this method, so and then when I first discovered this method, I used to make that mistake. I don't think I have to group them. So it should be coming out one by one, McLaren coming out alone, the car coming out alone, the background coming out alone. So it's always kind of frustrating before I actually knew the right way to do it. So we have our file, you see the page 1, page 2, page 3, all now on our desktop. So that's how to import and export on CorelDRAW. So I think that's everything. So you can publish a PDF, you can export normally, and you can export into multiple files. You can export into multiple files. So that's that about importing and exporting on CorelDRAW. So like I said, one of these days I will make, possibly the next, let's say that will be next Monday, I will be making a video on shortcuts of CorelDRAW, and most of these shortcuts work with other graphic design software like Photoshop, Illustrator. There might just be slight differences. So those shortcuts will make it work faster instead of trying to look for import, export, group, do this, do that. So those shortcuts will make it work faster, make it work easier. So That's that. I hope you get a lot of value and you've learned something new here. I believe you've learned something new here, and I'll be happy to hear your response in the comment box by typing I learned something new here. And if perhaps there's any other thing you want me to make, a video wants me to make on it about coreldraw or maybe graphic design or even pixel lab, so those three, I will try as much as possible to make a video on it and upload it on this channel. So if you are yet to subscribe on this channel, make sure you subscribe on this channel right now. Go to that subscribe button and smash it, but be careful not to smash your phone, because if you smash your phone is very expensive right now. So don't smash your phone, but smash the subscribe button and like this video. If you can overlike it, overlike it. You can even like it with multiple accounts, and also comment on this video. Let's boost the algorithm. Then share. You can share on your your WhatsApp status, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Thread, your X or Twitter, anywhere. You can even print a copy and put it in front of your house, for people to see. You can do that also. Then turn on post notifications so that whenever I post new videos, you will get notified. Also, very soon I'll be uploading short YouTube shorts on very short tutorials, fast ones, and I hope you can gain value in everything. I think we are going to end today's lesson here, and till next time we meet, I wish you success in your career. Thank you.